Now, let's continue. In English and Filipino and Japanese. In English, please. Filipino, pakiusap. Japanese, doso. In English, no more. Filipino, wala na. Japanese, ijo desu. English, enough. Filipino, tama na. Japanese, mojoban desu. English, beautiful. Filipino, maganda. Japanese, kere. In English, handsome. Filipino, guapo. Japanese, handsome. In English, expensive. Filipino, mahal. Japanese, takai desu. In English, cheap. In Filipino, mura. In Japanese, yasoi desu. Thank you.